Hey guys, Technically Jeff here, and I have another Tesla EV charging adapter review video for you guys, and I'm actually really excited about this one. I'm reviewing two from the same company, EVDance. One of them is about the same size as the Electron adapter, but the other one, this one's pretty small. It's about the same size as a Tesla Tap Mini, and it is significantly less. So if this one works well, it's a serious game changer.
So let's start with the unboxing. We'll take a look at the larger one first. It's still fairly small. It's about the size of my hand. And it looks good. The connectors in each side look good. The latch mechanisms work well. And there is a hole on the J1772 latch to put a lock in it if you want. And it looks good. Now for the small one, this one is much smaller, which I like. The connector pins in each side look good. The latch mechanisms on this one work fine as well, but there is no hole to put a padlock. That's not necessarily a problem though, since the car can be set to lock the charge port, so the J1772 side would be locked to the car. Compared to the other one, you can definitely tell a pretty big difference in size. But the J1772 and Tesla sides look basically the same. So it's just a smaller form factor. Now let's test them out. So I'll connect it to my Tesla mobile connector, which charges at 32 amps. Nice tight fit there. Then we'll plug it into the car. Fits pretty well. It's not quite as tight as some others, but it's not loose. And it's charging. 7.5 kilowatts. So the bigger one works well. Everything fits together good, and I'm really optimistic about the smaller one now. This one fits onto the Tesla connector nice and tight as well. Plugging it into the car, this one has a tighter fit than the other one, which is good. And it looks really good. It's nice and compact. And there's the charging started notification. So this one is charging well too. 7.5 kilowatts. So that's awesome. It just plugs in and charges with no issues, unlike some others out there. And it fits well. And it looks good. I'll give you a look from a few more angles here. But I'm really excited this is available as an option, and like I mentioned, this one is much less expensive than a Tesla Tap. So the Tesla Tap Mini 60 amp on their website, which is the best price I've found currently, is $260, while the 80 amp version is $300. This EVDance 60 amp version is only $40, so it's over $200 less than the Tesla Tap Mini. And if you want the 80 amp version to future-proof it, that's on sale for only $80, and there's a $10 coupon bringing it to $70. Again, well over $200 less than a comparable Tesla Tap Mini. Now, the Tesla Tap Mini is higher quality, and it does have the ability to be locked on the adapter itself, but personally, I'm not sure that makes it worth over $200 more. And if you really do care about it being able to be locked on the adapter and you don't want to have the car lock the charge port, you can get the larger 60 amp EVDance one that I reviewed that also works fine, and its price is the same as the 80 amp mini EVDance at $70 with the sale and the coupon. Personally, I'd opt for the mini 80 amp version of the EVDance, which is the one I actually tested here. It's built for higher amperages, so it won't become out of date, and it's still very inexpensive. So I'll post links to all of them in the description for you guys to check out. Let me know if you have any questions on them. And if you liked the video, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos and giveaways. I have a lot coming. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.